All the information provided in this video are for educational purpose and not intended to provide any trading advice. We are not SEBI register. Trading or investing in stock market may be risky, so consult your trading advisor before making any trading decision.
Hello everyone. Today we talk about Nifty, Nifty future, Nifty options. So how you can understand if you trade in Nifty future or a Nifty options? Software will give you a perfect guideline how to take entry. If you take entry for buy side, if you take entry for sell side, then what is the parameters, what is the indicators you have to use it, and how to use that is important. So today I want to tell you about our features which will give you a perfect guideline when we take entry, target point, stop loss point, what is the parameter behind the call. Okay, so currently I'm talking about 25,500 call options. Whenever you want to go with the call option or put option, you must check Nifty future or a Nifty spot what is going on. So I'll come to Nifty future first. So you can check 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame also for intraday trading. So you can see market open gap down here. Today is 16 Feb. It was open gap down and then it started buy call. Okay. So whenever you see there is a buy call or whenever you see there is a sell call, then you have to choose your strike price and go with the call option or a put option. So at the morning there was no put option side market going on. Around 10 o'clock it coming buy signal and then we can go with the call option. So I'll tell you about the call option side. So I am taken a 25,500 call option. So this recent buy signal I'm talking about how to understand the entry point. I want to tell you, whenever you see there is a green signal arrow candle, that doesn't mean you have to take entry. Okay, it's coming a buy signal generated, voice alert also you will get it, but it means it's give you a notification the signal is coming. So once the candle close and the next candle appear, then only you have to take entry. So now you ask me how we get the confirmation, how we get the that information that this call will confirm in that time. So for that we give you some additional features which showing in the middle closing an option. So if you see there is a 5-minute time frame, then it's always be there 300 second. Okay, so I'll just go back and I'll give you example of buy signal. So here you can see there was a buy signal came. Okay, that time you just have to wait and watch on the for the second candle, and you can see that there is seconds are left, 182 183 seconds are there. So it means this seconds are left to create a new candle. So what you have to do it at that time, just add your watch list in your broker terminal, and once you see there is a 10 seconds left, 5 seconds left, then you will be ready for trading. Okay, then next candle when appear, just make sure parameter should be on buying favor. So which parameter we follow? We follow two line parallel which is moving together in a green color. It should be a green color. Volume line should be green color, and percentage of buyers, it should be a 50-55%. And make sure whenever you take entry, the white line should be below the candle, not above the candle. So if you understand these features, you go with the buy signal and book your profit on a first target. Okay, so if you book your profit on first target, which is okay, but suppose if you don't want to exit on a first target, you wanted to wait for second or you wanted to wait for the good rally in the market, then what you can do it, then you have to wait and watch, maintain your stop loss. And if suppose after some time the candle coming a white color like this, is chances to fall down, maybe it's chances to go up again, but this candles are even this candles are indicating to you it is a less buyers volume there. There is a strength of buyers are not there. Either you can exit on this candles or you can maintain your stop loss. So what happened after that? You can see now the current market is 112.55 paisa, 112.45 paisa. This is live rate running. And now it's showing a red color downward arrow which is exit sign. So before stop loss, if you want to check these things, you have to follow the candle color also. But generally, we suggest book your profit on first target. I'll go back in the morning what was happened. Today is 16 Feb and the call was came here at the around 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock when buy signal came and next candle appear. Actually the train line is green color. Your percentage of buyer is it was a 49%, but your volume was not there. So if your percentage and your volume not match, only the trend is match, then there will be the 50-50 chances to go up. So don't take risk. If it is perfect call, then go with the perfect signal. Okay. But still you can see that there was two target got heated and after some time the candle coming white side. Okay. So in a day you will get it one or two calls.
New period.
But you have to follow perfect signals. Perfect signal will there. Go with that trade. So there are so many features we have. If you want to see a live demonstration, then you can call me or you also can message me. You also can check our website. Go to the Google and type over there best buy sell signal software in India. You will see on the first page stocks live. Okay. Check our website, get the information and please share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.